Hello everyone, and together we'll be making the Jester from the Puppet Master. So like always, you're going to need brushes, paint, clay, and some fabric. Today I'm going to be using some felt. And the colors you will need is yellow, purple, red, and black. So you're going to make a cutout out of the red fabric. You're going to make another cutout. You're going to sew them together to make the shirt. So you're going to make a circle out of purple fabric. You're going to fold it in half, and you're going to sew it to make his sleeves. To sew the sleeves into the shirt, you're going to sew the end part of the sleeve, and you're going to sew it into the circle. To make the yellow parts of his shirt, you're going to make some strips, fold them in the way, and then sew them onto the neck part and the sleeves. To make the Jester's head, you can either start piece by piece, like from the mouth, then the eyes and nose, then the full head, or you can just make his full head and just form it into the head of the Jester. Don't forget his hands. Once the clay is dried, you can finally paint the face of the Jester. Don't forget his belt buckle and his hands. You're going to make the main hat, which should have 3 triangles connected together. You're going to make 3 triangles. Then you're going to sew the triangles onto the main hat. You flip it inside out. And if the triangles aren't going downward, you can always add some pipe cleaners. Then you're going to add some clay onto his legs because we're going to be making his boots. So then you're going to make the bottom of the boots just like these, and make sure they're the same, they're bigger than the legs. You're going to make a half circle. You're going to sew that half circle on the bottom of the boots. Then you're going to make this part of the boot, and you're also going to sew that on. So this is how the half circle should look like when being sewn on the bottom of the boot. Then you're going to sew this part of the boot, and you're going to flip it inside out, and you have yourself a boot. And then you're going to make another boot. The jingle bells are optional. And finally, you have your very own Jester from the Puppet Master. And if you saw in the thumbnail, then yes, I am going to be making Dr. Death from the retro Puppet Master. So yes, you're going to need a skeleton, some acrylic paint, clay, glue, and buttons, clay modeling tools, and brushes. And you're also going to need some light blue fabric. So you're going to form some clay on top of his head to make him have angry brows, to make him have an angry expression. Don't copy what I did, don't paint him orange. Apparently his color is like wood color, so like a light brown. So the color I think is perfect for this character is the teddy bear tan. And it should look something like this. If his skeleton cannot stand up straight, you can add some clay to the knees and have him stand up straight. Or if you want to bend the knees properly, yeah, you're gonna need some wiring for that. Also, don't forget to make your shoes. This part is optional, but if you want to make his scalpel, make it out of clay, paint it silver. And to make that circle part of his head, you're gonna make a circle out of clay, paint it silver. To make his pants, trace the legs of the skeleton, make a cutout, make 2 cutouts, sew them together. To make his shirt, you trace his body onto fabric. You're gonna make 2 of the cutouts, sew them together. Once they're sewn together, you're gonna make a cut from the left, just like this. Then you're gonna make his sleeves by making a rectangle, fold it in half. Then you're gonna sew the sleeve into the shirt. Add some buttons and some slits. Put it on the skeleton. Make a circle and a strap. Sew them together. And you got yourself a hat. And you still have the black fabric. You're gonna make a strap. Glue it around the hat. Glue on the silver circle. Put the hat back on the skeleton. Put on a scalpel. And finally, you have your very own Dr. Death.
I have a joke for you. What is a skeleton's favorite snack? Go on, guess. Death? No. Go on, guess. No. Come on. Guess. Why are you laughing? I haven't told the punchline yet. What is a skeleton's favorite snack? Guess. Guess. Fuck! Guess! Guess, goddamn you! Why won't you answer me? What is my favorite snack? No! No! What is it? Why must you fail me so often?